Greetings to all. Today's topic is one that can make a significant difference to your import-export business: effective communication with international buyers. Whether it's through emails, WhatsApp, or direct calls, your ability to clearly convey your message is crucial. But remember, it's not just about talking, it's about listening. Understanding your buyer's needs and preferences is just as important. So let's delve deeper and learn how to master this skill. Remember, in import-export business, communication is not just about conveying your message, it's about understanding the other person's perspective. Before you even pick up the phone or start typing an email, there's some groundwork that needs to be done. This isn't just about knowing your product inside and out, it's about understanding your buyer. Start by visiting their website. What's their business about? Do they deal with the product you're hoping to export? If so, you're in luck. If not, you may need to rethink your approach. But don't stop there. Check their import history. Where are they sourcing their products from? If your country isn't on the list, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It could be an opportunity to introduce them to a new market. Knowledge is power. When you know your buyer well, you have a better chance of making a successful pitch. Now that you're equipped with information, it's time to make the call. Dial that number with confidence, knowing you've done your homework. Remember, your goal isn't to just get through to any department, you need to connect with the decision makers. Whether it's the purchase manager, procurement manager, or someone else with the power to approve deals, that's who you want to be talking to. As you speak, make sure to highlight the competitive rates and advantages of your product. Don't just list out features, but explain how your product can add value to their business. But most importantly, remember that this call is not just about making a sale. It's about building a relationship. Communicate with respect, patience, and understanding, and success will follow.